Ayo, 1920s house check. We're not wasting any time with this renovation. We're so eager to get started. Buying this abandoned house means that we have so many projects to work on. We don't have a lot of time to waste. And so we want to get this house up and going and functional for our family, which means what we want to do first here is tackle this entryway. Isn't this phenomenal? Like, is this really my house? I can't even believe this. This is what my design dreams are made of. When I'm dreaming at night, this is what I'm thinking about. And it's in my very own brand new house here. Brand new house. Gotta be a better phrase for that. In a 1920s house, you expect to have some amazing character. And of course, if you're new to our channel, you maybe don't know that we love to upcycle and keep as much of original supplies as we possibly can, which means, of course, we wanna keep the original integrity of this house. So these walls are definitely staying, but they need a lot of work. I did a little bit of a cleanup on them this morning. Oh, I don't even think I should show you, but we have a lot of cleanup to do actually on this space because these walls are filthy. They also need to be chipped, scraped, ceiling is peeling, so much work to be done. We're gonna get the supplies today and we're gonna get started on this renovation. Ew, this was 1 square. That's so disgusting.
Ew, that's gross.
There are so many layers of paint on these old tin walls. It's absolutely amazing how thick this paint is. I'm gonna use a metal scraper and chip all this off, but I wanna show you what the original tin, a lot of people were commenting on our home tour video, which I'll link above for you, that this was plastic. These are actual metal tin pieces that they not only put on the walls, but also on the ceilings. Now, typically you would only see them on the ceilings in old houses. They went a little overboard and did it on the walls, but I can't say that I'm angry about it because I actually love it on the walls as well. It gives it that wow factor when you walk in the door. Now let's look at the history here. Look at this. Clearly it used to be a very dark mustard. I can see it underneath. Then they went with a pink. Can you imagine when the dusty rose color was on trend? Mint green and a really pretty like buttery yellow. And then of course someone obviously at some point painted this white. And so we're told that there used to be a barn on this property and that this used to be actually set up like an old farmhouse, which is maybe why they went with the white farmhouse vibe. I'm not really sure when the white was painted, but as you can see, it must have been a really long time ago because it's peeling off of everywhere. We don't want the peeling paint, so we're not gonna just paint over it. I'm gonna chip this all off, get these walls super clean, and then what we're gonna do is we're going to revamp this entire space and make this a dreamy foyer because what house that's from 1920s doesn't need an epic foyer? So we wanna add some function to this as well because we are a family that will be living here. And we have this grand staircase that goes to our upper floor. And we're so lucky that the stairs are super wide because a lot of older homes have these really narrow stairways that are not only super crickety, these are really solid. There's no crick in these at all, and they're really, really sturdy, and so we're really happy so we can keep the banister and everything totally original, just giving it the love that it needs to be looking like new again. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a runner on it. Looks like there obviously was one here at some point, but we have some design ideas in mind. But what we wanna know is, we wanna take a vote with our YouTube family. I have an idea for a couple of colors that I want to use throughout the entire house. Keep in mind, we are in a coastal area. We're living in the east coast of Nova Scotia. And so of course I want to have a little bit of a nautical vibe, but keeping with the theme of this original old house as well. And so I want to know your suggestions. If this was your foyer, this dreamy 1920s abandoned home foyer, what color would you paint the beautiful tin on the walls? We're going to bring this back to the original. Give it the love it deserves. It's gonna be a lot of work. So this color has to be spectacular. Definitely not gonna be white. I know a lot of you are gonna expect me to crack open that Beauty Tone High white. It's not gonna happen. It's gonna be some color in here. So I wanna know if this was your place, what color would you dream of putting on these walls? So we got some work to do. We're gonna go get everything we need. And this week, you're gonna see the whole renovation of this project. We are also really excited because Monday morning, first thing, tomorrow morning, today's Mother's Day, tomorrow morning, we are gonna order our kitchen for the house. Oh, I'm dreaming of a kitchen. Oh, Philip dreaming of a kitchen.
Yes.
Philip's just dreaming of good food from the kitchen because we really have no functional kitchen right now. And we're also going to be ordering the flooring for the entire house. That's right, the whole house is getting new flooring. But a lot of the flooring here is super damaged, and some of the flooring that's been replaced is really not the best quality at all. Even cardboard boxes with little staples like just scratch it. So we want to make sure we have nice flooring in here. We get to order that first thing tomorrow morning. So I'm excited to show you the reveal of what I've designed for the kitchen space, as well as what we've chosen for the flooring throughout. But today is Mother's Day, and we're taking kind of a day today to get organized with some of our upcoming projects. As you guys know, we moved to this house with absolutely nothing. We brought just a small utility trailer with a couple of dirt bikes and about a dozen Rubbermaid containers. All of our furniture is starting to arrive, which means we have to put it all together. And we have some big projects we want to start working on the exterior of the property, which we've ordered some supplies for. And we are ordering this week all of our flooring for the whole house and our kitchen.
Upstairs and downstairs?
And downstairs.
Oh my gosh.
All new flooring. And we've looked over a lot of the flooring in the house, and we keep hooking our feet on pieces of staple and just random things like that. So Philip and I are trying to safe roof the whole house so we can walk around and get all this prep for us to do these big projects. But in order to do that, we need to get everything that's in the house that was already there cleared out, like stuff we found in the attic. Hey Day, want to do Operation What's in the Attic?
Let's go.
Let's go. How are you gonna get up there? The ladder doesn't come till tomorrow.
It's on the store or something.
So Dayton is dying to see
What's in the
what's in the attic.
I can get the flashlight.
Go get the flashlight. Yeah, it's downstairs. I think it's on the table.
Okay.
So no ladder till tomorrow, but
yeah, I don't think we'll be able to get up, but at least I'll be able to hold the camera up, and then our YouTube family can kind of see, because I don't think I'll be able to even get up.
he can't help himself but figure out what's up there.
I don't blame him. Look at out that window. Just look at out that window. The window needs to be cleaned, but look at
Nothing but nature.
the mountains.
Dave, what did you say this house has so many what?
So many mysteries.
So many mysteries. Watch out, Dave, just in case it's the lid that falls on you. Does it have hinges, or is it like all down?
No, it just.
It's a move.
Does it move over, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, so stand back in case it falls.
Does it just stay right here?
Yep.
Okay, ready? Is the light switch?
There's a light switch?
Yeah.
Is there any way it could
Oh
get
yeah,
up
look.
there?
Can you look up there?
Oh my
It's
goodness.
beautiful.
What? It's so tall in there.
Let me get in there. Let me
Jake
Hold on,
said
I
it was
gotta
gonna
look.
be so
I gotta-
tall.
Are you gonna try? I'm gonna hold you.
Is there a spot for the stand? Like there's a floor?
I don't know. So he
Okay,
can't get
send the
in. He
kid to
can't-
the attic.
He can't get in there.
That's got you, buddy.
I got it. I got it. Stand up.
That's not gonna let you fall.
You can look. What can you see, bud?
Just nothing in here, just a roof.
Drop the camera, okay? Are you gonna try to get up there? How will you get down?
Oh my gosh.
What's up there?
Stop.
Okay. Usually you can.
I'm doing it
Are you filming?
Yes.
I'm doing it live.
Philip. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Okay, that is.
Oh my goodness. Okay, what's the first thing you're gonna pass me? The cash register?
Yeah.
Yes. Give me the cash register.
So Dad is
Oh,
right.
look at that.
Oh, that's a really
Okay, hold
nice.
on.
Dad is currently up in the attic. We had
That's a real toy.
An old Coleman lantern.
What are you getting? These lanterns.
What? There's a whole attic of stuff, I'm telling you. Bug zapper lantern?
Two.
This is a bug zapper!
Oh no, that's just one. Oh, these. Oh,
Okay. There's literally, it was up there. There's so much stuff. Like the whole attic's full of stuff. Wow. You just bring it all down, Philly. We'll look through it.
Get the capture.
We're gonna wait for you to look through it. Fishing poles. I told you I saw fishing poles.
that's a good one.
That's a good one. It's huge. So we found a whole ton of things in the attic. Bug zapper, some old light fixtures, a really neat old vanity over here that opens up that has a glass front. Tons and tons of Christmas stuff, which we left up there. And then we also found a ton of old fishing poles, which is definitely to be expected since we're in the East Coast. And we found some really neat treasures, clearly from people's travels, like this brass cobra, and there's a couple really cool other items on this side, some blow up stuff. And then we found this really neat case here. We left the cash register up there. Philip said it's empty, but this cool case is actually a picnic. It says the containers say Braxton, it's falling. And it comes with silverware and plates and everything. The box is pretty neat, so I think I'll probably do a project with it. And then I definitely want to restore that little old vanity because I bet you that that is original to the house. But there's still some treasures up there, but tomorrow we have a ladder coming, so we'll have to get back up there and actually go through all the stuff that was bagged up. But we did get a few things down. Some pretty neat old treasures. Dayton, how did you think about Operation See What's in the Attic?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. We really wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to everyone. All I ever wanted to do in my life was be a mom. I wanted to do lots of things in my life, but being a mom was my #1 priority. I'm blessed to have 2 amazing boys. I think you guys can see on our channel how fun and energetic and just lively my boys are. They bring so much adventure to my life, and I just can't imagine my life without being their mom. Like, they're so much fun.
Well, I know that they can't imagine life without you being their mom, and you are the best mom to those boys.
I was just laying beside Chase this morning as they came in to say good morning to us, and I'm like, I almost have a 12-year-old. He is going to be 12 in August, and Dayton is 9.5. He's dying to know how many months till his birthday. He always waits for his birthday. It's so cute. But he's gonna be 10. So I'm gonna have a 10-year-old and a 12-year-old a little bit later this year. It's just mind-boggling to me how quickly the time has gone, but so many memories. So I hope that if you are a mom, or an auntie or a grandma or a mother figure to someone, that today you're just taking a few extra minutes to just appreciate everything that you have and how fortunate we are to get to be moms.
Or even a dad who's playing
mom role, for sure. Just any type of parental role right today. Just appreciate the relationships that you have and just take a moment to appreciate all the work that you put into that, because yeah, it's the best job in the world to get to take care of others. So we love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Like, this week has been crazy on our channel. We've had the most views we've ever had on our channel. We've had so many new YouTube family members. Our community is growing every single day, and we're just doing what we love, and we're literally creating a life we love and getting to show you guys what we're doing on the other end. And so to know that we can be us and do what we want to do and have the support of you guys behind us, we can literally move mountains together. So we're so thankful to have you guys around as part of our life. We appreciate all of you. So anyways, happy Mother's Day. We love you so much. We talk about you guys every single day. We will see you guys on the next update. Stay tuned. We're trying to do as many daily vlogs as we can. Love you. See you tomorrow. Okay, like this video. Share our house tour with someone you think will enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section what color you'd paint these dreamy walls. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button, join our YouTube family. I also want to let you guys know that we have now started a TikTok for the renovations on this house. A lot of you already follow us on Instagram, and you're like, why are you not on TikTok? It's so much fun. We've just posted one video, and if you want to follow us, you can go to @AliciaEnglish on TikTok and follow. We're going to have some sneak peek behind the scenes. There's a few little DIYs I'm posting this week of what we did with the porch that you guys haven't seen yet. Some additional content that really doesn't fit into maybe our whole videos, but some really fun DIYs you guys can follow along with. So check us out on the other socials. We love you, and we will see you tomorrow.